How many of you remember that crazy Daffy cartoon character known as the Roadrunner? Did the Roadrunner ever actually speak? Well, he did, but only once. All I ever remember hearing him do is beep beep, but he spoke in a 1951 Bugs Bunny cartoon titled Operation Rabbit. A lot of people feel our economy is crappy, but the following is just ridiculous. The island of Nauruan in the Pacific Ocean has an economy which is based almost entirely on bird poop. Here's a fact that will drive you buggy. Insects outnumber us humans. Are you ready for this? By an incredible 1,000,000 to 1. I hope they never decide to revolt. They say you are what you eat, and I wonder if that is true of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes prefer children to adults and blondes over brunettes. Remember the television special a few years ago featuring Barbra Streisand and Color Me Barbara? If Barbara had a box of Crayola crayons, she could color herself whatever she wanted to. See, in 1 year, Crayola produces 2 billion crayons. Yeah, you heard it right, 2 billion. That's enough to make a giant crayon 35 feet wide and 100 feet taller than the Statue of Liberty. I have an obsession, nay, an addiction, with Diet Coke. For better or for worse, I drink probably a 2-liter a day. The folks over there in the lovely land of Switzerland have me beat, to be sure. Per capita, they have the highest consumption of soft drinks in the world. Now think about this before I give you the answer. Does a common snail and an average sports car have anything at all in common? You would think not, but actually there is. You see, both snails and sports cars have retractable antennae. We as people can be very, very strange. Did you know that the number one reason of depression in married people is that they are married? And I can understand that, having been married to someone who had a heavy traffic sign posted between her legs. Sorry. In unmarried people, the single thing that depresses them most is that they are single. I know, people, make up your minds, right? Right. Television has brought the world into our living rooms right from its very first days. In 1963, the first murder live on television was broadcast when Jack Ruby shot and killed President Kennedy's presumptive assassin, Lee Harvey Oswald. And last, for this time around, I would have hated to be a door-by-door newspaper delivery boy in New York City on October 17, 1965. Why? Incredibly, that day, the New York Times had a total of 946 pages and weighed in at 7.5 pounds. Hope you've enjoyed. Please like and subscribe so you will not miss another single program on my favorite channel, the Dennis Morrison Channel. God bless.